Have you heard that QA will be the last job standing in the age of AI? That's not because QA is immune to automation. Instead, it highlights how many organizations never truly built QA as a foundational part of their software development lifecycle. Welcome back to Omniit.ai channel. The real bottleneck in SDLC isn't AI codes too fast and testing is too slow. It's that QA was never truly integrated into the development lifecycle. Testing is often treated as a final gate, leading to risk, rework, delays, and sometimes catastrophic failures post-release. Decades of best practices show that earlier defect detection is cheaper. Fixing a bug during implementation may cost roughly 6 times more than if caught at design, and once in production, the cost can balloon by orders of magnitude. Embedding QA early at the design, requirements, and architectural review phases offers far better return on investment. By contrast, when QA is relegated to the end, teams end up firefighting. AI isn't what made QA critical again, but it does make teams more vulnerable. If used wrongly, AI accelerates development but also increases risk. On the flip side, AI offers powerful opportunities to build better quality control and engineering processes, enabling us to truly shift left and scale testing. For example, AI can help analyze code churn, historical defect patterns, and change frequency to flag risky modules. This allows QA to focus strategically, not exhaustively, increasing impact per effort. However, AI or traditional automation cannot flag ambiguous business logic, challenge assumptions, evaluate design choices against long-term maintainability, or serve as guardians of trust and context. AI becomes a force multiplier, but human oversight, leadership, and a disciplined process remain indispensable for quality. To stay relevant and impactful in the AI era, QA must be re-embedded throughout the SDLC, shifting left early and often. First, make QA involvement non-negotiable from the earliest stages, requirements, architecture reviews, and design discussions before a single line of code is written. Next, combine AI-driven automation with human-led risk and impact analysis. Use AI to scale test generation and flag high-risk modules, but let human QE leads layer in context. Adopt risk-based testing to prioritize efforts based on likely impact rather than trying to test everything exhaustively, ensuring both coverage and wisdom. 3. Shift the QA value metric from bugs found to risk prevented or trust delivered. Measure defect escape rate, incidents detected after release, and business impact avoided. This reframes QA not as a cost center, but as a risk mitigator and business enabler, focusing on reliability, compliance, and user satisfaction. Fourth, treat AI-generated code as drafts, not finished goods. It should still pass through rigorous quality checkpoint processes. This includes code reviews, static analysis, unit and integration tests, security scans, and human semantic review. AI's speed is a benefit, but without discipline, it becomes a risk multiplier. Finally, build a culture of quality through education, collaboration, and shared responsibility. Quality isn't a department, it's a culture. This remains unchanged in the world of AI. If teams treat AI as a panacea and continue with flawed processes, the consequences could be amplified. Faster code generation leads to more potential defects. Lack of early QA involvement means defects propagate deeper, becoming harder and costlier to fix. Overloaded QA teams face burnout and superficial testing. Good tools and platforms are important to enable a quality-first culture, such as Omniit.ai platform. It promotes QA integration from the starting point of SDLC, prioritizes risk, and automates repetitive tasks. This frees human QE and QA professionals to focus on context, design, and judgment, providing dashboards that link test outcomes to business KPIs. With such a platform, quality organizations can move from reactive bug fixing to proactive quality engineering, ensuring predictable and reliable releases. AI won't magically eliminate bugs or guarantee perfect software. It makes code production faster, broader, and more volatile. Test QA seriously in SDLC, plan and execute as do any other function becomes essential to successful AI implementation and products. Please subscribe to Omniit.ai channel and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.